Hi! Logitech Z623 speaker system with subwoofer user. For many years I was tormented by the problem of not being able to find and buy wall mounts for this system. Now I have finally solved this problem with these speaker stands for any type of wall material. Finally, I can also place these Logitech satellite speakers at ear height to get the best sound and free up space on my desk. If you have a 3D printer, it's very easy. Just print one of the samples available on the internet and screw it to the wall if you don't have a 3D printer. Feel free to email me, as I have printed several of these test stands and I can send you some for a reward. Once you also got your Logitech wall mounts, they can be screwed onto any wall material quite easily. Then you can start using your Logitech Z623 speakers in a new and better way. These mounts will definitely fit most Logitech, Microlab, Edifier, Creative and other multimedia PC speakers. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. And I'd be very happy if you push the subscribe button. We need to get to the 100,000 subscriber milestone together so we can start the big bass test videos.